Hello, pen testers. This is Punit from Rapid Safeguard back again with another video. And in this video, we are going to solve World Machines Weekend Lab. The lab name is Inside Hacker. So, Inside Hacker is related to Nginx vulnerability. So, stay tuned with me for the solution. So, you can test this vulnerability in real time as well as for your client security, and this labs this is the vulnerability you can identify during configuration or code review part. So let's get started. Inside Hacker Lab is vulnerable to HTTP request smuggling, and the obviously it is a CV lab. So CV 2019 20372. This is the CV number. So Nginx before 1.7.7 with a certain error page configuration that allows HTTP request smuggling, as demonstrated by the ability of attacker to read unauthorized web pages in the environment where Nginx is being front-ended by the load balancer. So this is the basic outcome where you can perform this vulnerability. So outcome is you will get the uh, unauthorized web pages where Nginx use inside it or in the backend side. So let's get started how we can achieve this particular thing to change certain things and send the particular request, and we will get the our output. So let's get started. So this is the configuration of Nginx server configuration where you can see the 401 it is redirected to somewhere else. So let's capture this request. So interception on and click on the lab access, and let's capture this request, uh, send to the repeater and interception off. So as we have seen that it is redirected to somewhere else in the configuration. So just capture this request and send to the repeater, and we have seen that it is using the Nginx 1.7.17.6, and it is vulnerable to HTTP request smuggling lab. So firstly, we need to change the connection where it is given to the close to the keep alive, and give the exact the get method with the host VNM or local host, and send this request. So this is the request. This is normal request. Nothing is changed. The content length is given. Uh, let's try something else. So upgraded resource, let's remove and try. Go to the thing that identify the VNM local host. So host header, we will give the VNM local host, and still the connection is a keep alive, and send. Okay, nothing is happening over here, and okay, just uncheck this content type thing. So as you can see that two request is uh, we have received in the response side. So just uncheck this content length and send this particular request. So we have identified that VNM localhost with the 404 response. So inside the server hidden index file, so let's index.html and send. Okay, nothing is happening over here. Just give the hidden folder and send. Okay, 404 again we have received 404 underscore hidden. We will try, and yes, we have achieved that that this is the our flag. So this is the vulnerable part where we have the HTTP request smuggling, even though if you directly send this particular request, but then there is no point to HTTP request smuggling. So just capture this request and VNM, this is the standard method, and submit. So if we send directly that hidden index and a header with the change header with the VNM localhost, then there is no point of to understand this HTTP request smuggling lab. So this is the HTTP request smuggling. You can read more about this CVE 2019 207 20372. You can check it out on Google. I will put the link in description box as well. So this is all about this vulnerability, and this is all about this lab. So if you want to try this lab, you can try on vulmachines.com. So this is all from my side. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you think it is valuable to you and your InfoSec team, share with your InfoSec friends, subscribe our channel, join our Telegram channel, and check out worldmachines.com labs. Free labs is also based on CVs. So learn with worldmachines.com. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video.